Okay, so A aspect of the question, what does it say?
Prepare a statement of revenue and expenditure. The consolidated fund for the year.
So statement of rev and expenditure of the consolidated fund
for the year ended 31st December. December 31st.
How many calculation months?
2014. Okay. You said what?
Calculation is not months.
It depends on the examiner's request. It could be 30 marks, it could be 35 marks.
First, what it is?
State of mind. What do we bring? Revenue, right? What are the revenue we have?
Directors.
I think we did something called total tax revenue, didn't we?
Yes.
So tax revenue, give me that figure.
164.
Workings 164 606 36. Okay. Let's
We
go.
didn't add the grants.
164.
I'm coming. Let's just separate it. This is on the face of the revenue expenditure. So we need to separate it. So direct tax,
Workings one.
how much?
142,222,230.
Next, indirect tax,
Directors. 22 million. 384,137.
next,
37.
next,
Then we have the revenue, non-tax revenue.
how much?
261,582. Note 7.
261582.
Yeah, note 7.
Is that all?
Grants.
We received the grant.
Yes. 338,720.
Is that all?
Yeah, note. Okay, now I know say it is straight. So one.
Yeah, I think we brought it straight up, right?
Yeah, but we gave it note 5.
We gave it note 5, okay. Is that all?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So let me have an answer. Total revenue.
How do you do?
Yes, I'm on it,
Payment, let's go.
Yeah. Compensation to employees.
Compensation of employees.
Goods and services.
Easy.
Stefano.
Don't boom.
Hey, no.
So compensation to employees.
Yeah.
How much?
4 million.
4 mil.
671,000.
671
740.
740. Workings.
Working 4.
Alright.
Goods and services workings.
Working 6.
Mm-hmm.
So revenue total.
19 million. 391,617.
617.
Yeah.
Revenue total.
164
164
945
945
087.
087.
Yes, sir.
Is that all for payment?
No.
What else?
The interest that we paid.
Second, for bread.
1 million.
Interest paid, workings,
11.
1 million
875.
875
781.
781. Didn't we do
Government
subsidies?
subsidies.
Workings,
236, 2 million. 360,660.
workings.
12.
Is that all?
Now,
Social benefit.
How much?
1,370,000.
1 million 300. $1 million 300.
You say my cousin will back up until you show us it.
1 million
Have you seen it?
social.
Hey, let me go push it.
600.
Eh?
137,600. That's what one.
What else?
consumption of fixed assets. Of fixed assets for the year. Yeah.
How much?
5,600. No, 046.
What's
Yeah.
it?
5,600, 046. 046.
Is that all?
Total.
Is that all? Let's see if that is all. Is that all? I guess so, right?
Yeah.
We brought interest and 12. So.
Total.
Yeah.
352.
Hey, 352
70.
70
444.
444.
Yes, sir.
So the difference will give us surplus.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, it is.
Yeah, this helpless guy. Johnny, I wouldn't have said that.
What would you have said?
No, so proud.
Surplus.
I remember I need to just a collected.
I think we have surplus. So give me surplus. That's how the vice president talks. If he's talking about surplus, he said surplus. Okay. See how they are writing with speed. Oh yeah, now we see who chat.
It's a long number.
Now do feel our phone in the little now. Now wait a minute.
12967
12967
46
46
43
43.
here.
Oh, really? That's huge. Okay. So this is the A of the question. Okay. Then the B aspect, they said we should do a cash flow, a statement of cash flow. So look at it carefully. At least this one you have an idea about it already. The cash flow is a new field, so make sure you follow me very well. So statement of cash flow for the year ended
December
31st December
2014.
2014. 2014. So let's go. Maybe we can have two cash columns. We can put notes here. Do you remember your pro forma for the cash flow?
Yeah.
Operating activities, right?
You're right.
What are the things we are supposed to bring? So we need to bring receipts. So now don't give me direct and indirect. Give me the tax revenues. Do you remember that? The working straight. Do you remember that? How much?
164
164
606
606
367.
367. Next. We already have the things here, Paul. And I will grants. Yeah, I could bring that, but since I've written the grants, 338 720 on tax rate. Hey, Bokode.
I know I performed 2 times, so I know that. What's that?
Non-tax revenue, note 7. Add up for me total revenue, total receipts. Then we come to the cash payments. You know, the cash flow from operating activities and the cash flow is just like the receipts and payments. Only that because you are dealing with cash items, issues like capital consumption is a non-cash item, so we don't consider it. So it's more or less like bringing the same thing and the operating activity, because operating means what we do day to day. So that's why it's just a replica of what we do here.
Alright.
So the cash rate is also
Yeah, the cash payment, these same items, we're going to be listing them under operating activities. Because these are the things that enable us to run our business. Total. 1652 0
666.
Why is it different from this figure?
Huh?
It's a different answer.
It's not a different thing.
But we didn't paste everything.
No.
It should give us the same
Yeah, the
answer.
same answer.
Because when you win, I'm adding and I'm saying, remember, when we say, what shall I say?
And see, so if you have to add, don't add all, just add the
No,
non-charge granted tax.
he's adding these three. Say 3 way the amounts are 165. No.
Yes.
It should give you 164 if this is right.
No, then you look for, let me see.
He's adding these three, no?
Yeah, I get you. I'm just comparing whether everything is right there. Mama, then I do it.
Okay, so it's supposed to be 16520.
So this answer is wrong.
Yes. So it's 165
16520.
06
6.
669.
It's not the one on here.
So give me surplus. Give me surplus.
Alright. So minus.
We never know about where that's
So 1299.
1299.
36.
Don't do that.
36.
36
225.
225.
Yes, sir.
Why are you using correction fluid? Just cancel.
It's not wrong.
Just cancel so that it stays with you.
It is an accounting crime.
To use correction fluid is not good. Just cancel it. What are you canceling? Is it not this one pay? Cancel. Not sure what's here. Now do example one.
But this one is fraud and error.
Now give me payments, please. These are the payments, right? So let me just list them down.
Let's go.
Compensations to employees, that's 4. And that is, can you help me with the figures, please?
Here, data. Oh, me mind the computation, please.
Good. 4 6.
Goods and services,
Same as on the left.
interest, social benefit, consumption of fixed assets is not going to be there. Government subsidies. And that's working store. I guess that should be all. What do I have?
You have 296
296
70
296 70
398.
398. Now that will be less. because payment means negative. So total payment.
That's why we don't say net asset.
We are coming there. So net cash flow from operating activities. What should that?
135. 536. 271.
Okay, so let's go now to cash flow from investing activity. Hey. What are the investing activities we have there? For investing activities, we need to separate it between financial assets and what? Non-financial assets. So let's deal with maybe financial assets first. From our question, what were the financial assets that were bought? The shares, remember that? Was there any shares disposal? No, there was. Proceeds from the disposal of shares. I'm coming now.
Yeah. The disposal of shares.
Sorry.
From the
Proceeds from the sale of shares, yeah? And then, any other item that
the
is...
interest.
Where is
Do
it?
you receive interest? Some interest received.
Financial asset, then they say multilateral what was.
Yeah, yes, the ones you received. You classify them
No,
as
the repayment and all will come to financial assets.
Equity investment in companies and public corporation. Do you remember that? I told you that's under financial assets, right? How much you got?
3,450,000.
3450 123. Be like that?
Yes.
Now, equity investment, that's an outflow. So we put it in bracket. Okay?
Alright.
Is that the only financial asset in the question?
No.
What else? What else?
Huh?
You said no. Then you. Remember it said that?
Financial classified by Chile.
Which loan? Those are in financing activities. We are dealing with investing activities.
Proceeds from what was
If, for instance, if I'm not able to classify financial whatever. but
Professional presentation requires that it does. So you should be able to do it.
proceeds from sale of shares in private companies.
It's supposed to be an
That's what?
the proceeds from the sale.
of shares.
Yes. So that will come here as well.
Oh. 9 to 60,000.
That's cash inflow, right?
Yes.
9 to
60,000.
61 to 3.
Yes.
Is that all?
Additions. PPE.
That will be a financial,
That's it.
no, sorry, non-financial assets. You can give me net here.
Okay.
So you segregate it.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
For professional presentation.
Okay.
Like she's saying, if you get to that number, you can't separate. No, but professional presentation requires that you know how to do the separation. Are you getting it?
What do you mean by financial assets and non-financial assets?
The financial assets are the one that can be changed into cash. The non-financial assets are the one that the business uses to run. So all tangible, non-current assets are non-financial assets.
So current assets.
This is intangible assets.
So current
Yes, sort of intangible assets. Not current, intangible assets. Something like that.
5,810,000.
This one,
Yes.
5810 123. Positive or negative?
Oh, it is positive.
Okay. The reason I'm asking is that this was out and this is in.
Yeah.
Do you get it? The equity investment, if you look at the way it is read, it says equity investment in companies, meaning we went to buy shares. That is why it's an outflow. Then this one it says disposal of shares. That's why it is what? An inflow. Then
The bilateral loans received and then
those are financing activities.
So this one you are doing investing.
Investing. I told you investing has to do with the sale and disposal of assets, investments, and those things. The financing has to do with how we raise money.
yes, I'm just inquiring, you know, we saw my question was going to receive what is under investing. So I'm thinking like if you receive something.
No, that's not the mind you have to think. Rent received is an income, that's why it came here. But if you are receiving a loan, that is about financing. It will change your financial or your capital structure. So it comes under financing activity.
Proceeds from
Proceeds from what?
sale of shares,
Yes.
financial assets.
Yes.
So, but sometimes don't see they selling shares, issuing shares to raise money.
You are not issuing shares, so you are selling your investment. So you are selling your shares ownership is an investment in another company. The government doesn't have shares, true or false? Does the government have shares?
Yes.
Government doesn't have shares. That government invests in other companies. So like this equity investment, if you invest, it's an outflow. When you now sell that investment, it's an inflow. Are you getting the treatment? So it is not, don't take it from corporate financial reporting class.
Okay.
In financial reporting class, that will be a financing activity because repurchase of shares is under financing activities.
Oh, okay. Did I there?
Isha, what about the work in progress?
Yeah, those things under, so the addition of PPE and those things. Yeah, work is me or baby, yeah, work is visa. I did non-financial assets. Okay, so I brought it as a one-liner item. Okay, so then let me now separate. How much we got? How much we got?
157
157
035
035
710.
710. Now that's an outflow. You got it?
Yeah.
It's an outflow. Any other financial assets in the question?
Please. Why is it an outflow?
Because addition to infrastructure, work in progress, who constructing road, you paid money. And I mean what?
Suppose we are in FR and we are doing this. There is something like this.
It's still an outflow.
And we are calculating the cash purchase for the investment. We are supposed to incorporate all these things in the workings. It will be on the debit side.
What debit? And it's on the debit side. Is that not money going out?
PP has a debit bank.
So is that not money going out?
If you are paid for some money is going out, so you can always
But what I'm saying, if you are doing a PP calculation, let's say balance go down. Balance carry down.
You cannot prepare PPE account here because you are not giving any balance sheet for 2 years. FR, you have balance sheet for 2 years. PSA, you have balance sheet for 2 years. Because in PSA, you are not dealing with balance sheets. You are just dealing with the financial records that happened during the year. That's all. In FR, you are giving 2 balance sheets. That's why you have opening and closing. Say this addition should have come to the debit side. Now what balance it? The Aubeniano and the 56 figure. But in PSA, no, yes, sir. Whatever is there, no, and no more than ever. You good?
Yeah, so
If you work in progress, I understand. But the additions, what means addition?
Addition means
addition. You are coming to add this one.
you are buying another one. Until you calculate that way.
Money is
Now uto way can one. Uto way can one. Didn't you pay me?
Money is
So money is going out.
Money is going
Or you think that addition means money is coming in? No. How can addition mean money is coming in? It's about property, plant, and equipment. So when we say addition to property, plant, and equipment, it means you are buying. And when you are buying, money is what? Going out. That's the treatment. Can I have total here, please? That'll give me. Now my space is exhausted. When I am writing, whatever I'm coming to write here should go to the second column. I think that will be net cash flows from investing.
All that should go to the second column.
What's it?
All that should go
To the second column, yeah. Can I have my answers, please?
Just so we are 581 minus the 157.
Yes, please. Here too, when you are punching, you have to be careful because outflow means negative, inflow means positive. So you got to punch it in relation to that.
Here. So the final answer.
Yeah.
Into brackets 1512
1512
257
257
10.
10.
Sorry.
So please make sure you take that to the second column. Okay? Second column. Then we come to cash flow from financing. Did we do that workings?
No.
Like loan received and loan paid? Did we do that?
Oh yeah, we did.
Okay. So inflows, we will call inflows the loan received. That was workings what?
8
How much?
for the receipt.
1,193,520.
The last time I checked, that is more than 1 million.
It's
1 million.
1,193,520.
Oh, yo. Now, that is received, so positive. Then the outflow will be the repayment we made. Okay? And that is workings what?
9.
How much?
529,470.
So that will be negative. You got it?
Yes, sir.
Give me net.
What about the interest we paid?
Interest paid has been brought here. It's part of our operations.
No Fujai.
No, it's part of our operations. Even when you are doing financial reporting, cash flow, interest paid is always here under operations. Because this is part of our day-to-day business. Financing is only about our capital structure, how we raise money to run the company, to run the economy.
So if there was dividend paid,
Dividend pay will be here, dividend pay will come in, but this is consolidated fund. The government will not pay dividend from the consolidated fund. Do you get the idea? Because nobody has investment in the country.
664050.
6640.
50.
So you
50.
said you don't pay dividend from the
This
but we are not paying dividend.
we pay interest because your Bobo saying, but we are own Ghana. Do you get the idea?
no one when they are buying sit and
Cash flow from financing. Yeah, did judgment data. You ask him, say, and cash flow, where should we come? How much the judgment data? It could be because it's a consolidated fund. It could be part of the revenue of the government. Are you getting the idea? It could be part of the revenue of the government, like the Woyo Mens and Co. Positive or negative?
Oh, it is positive.
Now, give me net. Add this. So to that, this is negative to this. And that will give me net increase or decrease in cash and cash equivalent. What's it?
So is it 271 there?
Which one?
The 135.
So now man, it's bigger. 271.
Okay, I'll see you next. 271.
Why? You asking something?
I was saying that we didn't do anything to. No, I know we are doing it. if there is bank overdraft or there is cash and cash equivalent, use for whether that's what is balance.
And they've given us cash and cash equivalent at the start.
Okay, it's down here.
Yes, and cash equivalent at the end. Until we end up saying, yeah, pair. And there will be a oh, baby.
Alright, so we have negative, so in bracket 150
150
25
25
389.
389
Yes.
in brackets.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This will be net change in cash and cash equivalent.
Alright.
Then bring the cash and cash equivalent at the start. It's given in the question. How much is it?
37089
37089
480.
480. What do we have?
Yes.
That will give us cash and cash equivalent at year end. What do you have?
I have
Wait.
2064
22064
091.
091.
Yes.
22 million. Oh,
Let's do it.
oh, pay.
Pay. Last time there was a side.
That was what I was asking. Say, are you guys confirming figures? Are you guys doing this?
I confirm the figure.
Oh, the figure is correct.
Don't worry, we sit back and do it again.
Okay. I will not go back to
And at
it.
least you didn't have the fundamental.
Yeah.
That's it. So you can write it down.
Yes.
So I cannot write.
Yeah.
Did I just write? I'll
That's
type-
you. Big time.
Oh,
Now what we've done, the reason for that figure is purely arithmetical.
Oh, really?
Yeah, because about classification, everything we've classified is like that.
Okay.
So the error we've committed is not we've committed, you have committed.
Okay.
It's arithmetical.
Okay.
Are you getting it? Now, it could mean that maybe there is a total I didn't write well, or a figure we didn't transport well,
That is it.
something like that, or there is a translation of figures.
That is it. So, since as I'm saying, despite our answer being no,
And once your entries are correct,
that's all.
because we are marking this way in the exam hall,
Okay.
we are marking this way, then the totals comes in. So if your totals is wrong, so in most cases people don't add it to see whether it has balance or it hasn't balance. They just bring the individual items.
He said you can bring the open and at close. You will just write it there, you get your thing.
Instead of me, I'll write
I will write it there. That's what I said on the semester. The end is number central at end.
Yeah, so you mark this, you get a tick for this, tick for this. So that's it.
Hey, Mark, I'm
Hey.